Hi Sagittarius, what's up? I hope you all are doing good, taking good care of yourself and keeping safe. Let's see what's coming up for Saggis, all placements. Sagittarius, all placements, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter. Let's see what is happening for Saggis in the month of August 2020. Right? Let's see what's the overall energy for Saggis. Oh my God, Sagittarius, Ten of Swords. Some sort of ending. Okay, the past was tough. It was heavy. It was a lot of work. So I'm giving up. I'm moving on. But to move on, I need a lot of strength, which I'm not having at the moment. So I need some time. I need a break. Saggis, what's wrong, guys? Avoid the background noises. Ten of Cups. Ten of Swords, Ten of Cups. Things were going on good, Saggis. Ten of Cups. Beautiful, happy family. Beautiful, happy energy. Page of Wands. All right. Wheel of Fortune. Two of Wands. Ten of Wands. All right. I have 3 tens here. So that definitely means some sort of cycles coming to an end. Things were good. Then how come a shift from Ten of Cups to Ten of Swords? This is a big shift. We need to check it out. So what's happening with Sagittarius? August 2020, overall energy. Hierophant. All right, it was a commitment. It was some sort of societal pressure. I see some sort of controlling energy around you. This can be society, law, government. For some of you, this can be marriage also. What's crossing you? What's crossing you this month? The Fool energy. Okay, so Saggis, for some of you, this can be that I want to explore my own life. I want to explore new things. I want to be single again. I want to be happy again. I want to just enjoy. I just want to explore, travel, be free. But the society, I must say, this society is causing a block, is not letting me move forward, is not letting me enjoy my life. Some sort of restrictions, some sort of baggages, some sort of... I feel that you guys are fighting with some sort of authority around you. Now this simply can be societal pressure, this simply can be family, friends, relatives, or someone very authoritative, a Taurus energy also here. Taurus energy here. So someone who has a lot of say in your matters. This person is not letting you enjoy the way you want, right? You want to be free, you want to be carefree, careless, just enjoying everything. But probably there's someone around you who's not letting you do that. And you're giving up on something here. Is it so? We have the Knight of Pentacles here. Very strong Earth energy, Taurus energy. What's grounding? What's grounding for Saggis? What's grounding this month? Six of Cups. So I feel that you want to move towards your past, or this can be someone from your past who's thinking about you, whom you might consider your soulmate, or this person can also be the same. Like I see a very strong, deep connection here. And this person probably is ready to take some leap of faith. They want to jump into something new. They want to have some brilliant new energies with you. But some sort of societal pressure or blockage here with the Hierophant. All right, let's see what is the past energy. Where are you coming from? Nine of Pentacles. All right, you were happy, you were enjoying. Past energies are good, Sagittarius. Then why suddenly a shift here? You were enjoying, you were happy, you were independent, maybe single, you just came out of a relationship, or you became more independent financially. Some sort of very happy and positive energy for you here. Then what's on your mind? What's on your mind, Sagittarius? What's on your mind here? Okay, Knight of Pentacles. Money. Thinking about your money, thinking about the offers you have. Majorly money, majorly Pentacles. This past person might have something to say. We'll find out what's that. But overall, I feel that your energies are more about, I just want to set myself free. I just want to enjoy. I just want to have what I want, especially in the monetary terms. I just want to have some new opportunities around me. I want to explore new things, can be some new business opportunities. I want to travel for work. But someone is stopping you, can be a commitment which is stopping you, can be an authoritative person in your family. We find out what the Six of Cups is though. What is going to be the outcome here? Wow, and we started with 10 of Cups. So, coming back to ground zero. Coming back to that point from where you started. 10 of Cups, beautiful energy. Or I should say, all's well that ends well. We'll clarify it, okay? So what is your surroundings? How people view you this month? Okay, so I feel that the people around you, they're thinking that you have a lot of options. You have so many things to explore. I'm picking this up as opportunities, a lot of opportunities, a lot of choices. And the Six of Cups to the Seven of Cups. This person wants to make an offer, but this person is confused, thinking that you already have so many offers. This can be someone in your surroundings who is considering you as your soulmate or as their soulmate, but this person is confused and very defensive about offering you this cup they have, because they think that you already have so many cups or you already have so many options and choices, then why would you choose them? They're thinking about it. Two of Pentacles, confused and juggling. How you view yourself this month? How are you looking at yourself this month, Sagittarius? I see there's a beautiful change in energy, Sagittarius. You started, your past was 10 of Swords. It was painful, it was hurtful. And you're moving towards, again, very positive energies, you know? So we can take this as a very positive energy. How are you looking at yourself? Death. Okay. You're getting transformed and you know that. It's a big transformation, new beginning. Death is not always about ending. It's very rare that we say death is an ending. We say it's a new beginning, it's a new transformation. Past cycles coming to an end. From 10 of Swords to the Death, I feel that you're accepting some big endings in your life and you're just ready for some new beginnings. I do feel some sort of blockage and some sort of restriction is coming towards you from the society, relatives, or the people who are around you. They're not letting you move forward, or maybe they're just stopping you from taking new leaps. They're stopping you from actually doing what you really want to do, following your dreams kind of energy. So the Death card is here. This can be some sort of transformation. You are accepting this transition. You are acknowledging this new beautiful beginning coming towards you. What are your hopes and fears this month? Hopes and fears? King of Cups. All right, you don't want to be emotional. You're afraid that you have emotions for someone, or this can be a water sign in your surroundings. You have compassion for someone. You're thinking about this person. This can be Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. You really think about. And probably you're thinking about, you're hoping for this 10 of Cups with this person. Very loving energy, compassionate energy here. Let's see what is going to be the outcome. What is going to be the outcome? Wow, we have some flipper here. Just give me a second. We have the Queen of Cups. Sagittarius, this is so beautiful, Sagittarius. This is so beautiful. King of Cups in your hopes and fears. And the outcome is the Queen of Cups. Definitely a soulmate energy. You need to keep moving forward. I'm strongly picking up, Sagittarians, that someone around you or people around you, they don't want you to move forward. And we were talking about people. I see a father figure here. Someone very authoritative, someone who has a lot of charge, a lot of say, a lot of control. Can be a boss figure, father figure, someone who can actually control you here. King of Cups with the Queen of Cups. You know who is right for you. You know who is your soulmate. You know with whom you have to stay. You want to get into this 10 of Cups energy with this person. There's someone very authoritative who is not letting you move forward. All right, let's clarify some of the cards, right? Let's clarify some of the cards. Sagittarius, all placements. Sagittarius, ending past cycles for a beautiful beginning. I see some very beautiful transition. Oh my God, give me a break. Give me a break. All right, so let's see what's coming up for Sagittarius. Let's shuffle the deck again. Saggies. So Hierophant again here, see. So I want to know, what is the Six of Cups energy? What is the Six of Cups energy? Four of Wands. Okay, this is a past, beautiful past relationship. The Magician and the Hierophant. Oh my God. Whew. Four of Wands, Hierophant, Magician and Six of Cups. This is your past life soulmate, or this is someone who is in love with you. You know what, Saggies? I'm feeling that this person wants to have the Ten of Cups with you, and I think you both will be finally successful in achieving the Ten of Cups together for you. This person is leaving behind a relationship to come towards you. I'm also listening that you might be leaving behind a relationship to come towards them. I see you both are sacrificing something. Doesn't have to be a relationship per se, can be anything. You both are getting ready to sacrifice something to be together. Wow, this is big. Really, it is big. Like, you both are in love with each other. King of Cups and Queen of Cups. You know, this is very dramatically romantic. Really, yes, this is very dramatically romantic. Ten of Cups, Queen of Cups, King of Cups, Hierophant, Four of Wands, Magician. They just want to be with you, especially if you're a Sagittarius female watching this reading. Trust me, I think there's someone who is really in love with you. You both have very genuine emotion for each other, and you both want to have this happy home, and I think you guys are fighting. You guys are fighting with the odds to be together. I do feel that you are leaving behind someone, they are leaving behind someone, or something. Something can be job, can be family, can be anything. I see there's a lot of sacrifice involved in the picture from both the parties. But the emotion is so strong, the feelings are so strong that I think you both will overcome it together. Right? Let's clarify this Ten of Cups. What is this Ten of Cups energy for Sagittarius? This is so beautiful, Sagittarius. August is going to bring that final. Oh, Three of Cups. My God. Ace of Cups. Sagittarius, this is so positive. This is so positive, guys. This is so good. I see lots of cups here. I do feel that stability is majorly on your mind. You're thinking about your pentacles, money and stability. But this love is deep. Saggies, yes, this love is deep, and I think you guys are fighting with the odds. You're fighting with so many things in your surroundings. Can be family, can be some sort of job location. I'm also listening that someone has to travel to be with the other person. I think you guys are going to do that. Yes, because there's love. There's deep love here. This love is deep, Saggies. What is this Three of Cups? Hanged Man. Someone is stuck. Someone, this can be your energy or your person's energy. It's like waiting for the reconciliation. Want to be, oh my God, we have the Sun here. The outcome energies are so positive. It's like, I don't have words to express it. Trust me, guys. I understand past was tough. I understand you guys are coming from the point of Ten of Swords. It was very heavy. You both have to actually go through some very tough endings in your life. And I think you both have to do that. It's not just your energy or your person's energy. I don't know whether you guys are fighting with the odds. What you're doing, I don't know. But the outcome is so positive. What is this Queen of Cups? Okay, two cards. Page of Pentacles, Seven of Wands. Again, the same energy. Again, fighting spirit. Fighting with the odds. Seven of Wands. Conflict, resisting. I do feel that one of you might get very emotional. The feminine energy here might get very emotional. I'm also listening, the female in the picture might think that things are not working out. I need to just drop everything. I need some time off. I need to go into isolation. The feminine energy might get emotional for a while, right? But it's not going to stay forever. Trust me. This is a very, this is going to last for very few days. The feminine energy is very, very insecure and feeling a need to stay isolated and on a break. The feminine energy might even fight for some sort of resistance, but the masculine energy is not giving up. The masculine energy, whosoever is the male in the picture, I think, why I'm talking about feminine and masculine, because I can see some sort of very deep connection here. I won't be shocked that I won't be shocked if this person is your twin flame. Wow. And the person here is Hanged Man, stuck, confused, the masculine energy, but they're going to fight for the feminine. My God, this is like 8 of Cups energy. I feel the feminine is turning the back towards the masculine for a while. Whosoever is the female in the picture might turn a back towards the masculine energy for a while, because or this can be walking away from something. I'm again and again picking up that some sort of conflict is involved in the situation. This is not an easy situation. So let's have an advice for you guys. Whew, I need to catch my breath. This is so beautiful, guys. You're walking on the right path. You know, it's like this is heavy. This love is deep. Trust me, this love is deep. What Saggies need to listen? What advice Saggies need to listen? August 2020. They're ready to fight for you, especially if you are a Sagittarius female. Your guy, whosoever this person is, they're ready to fight for you. They're really ready to fight for you. What Saggies need to listen as their advice? Why? Questioning everything. It's like fighting with people and looking for answers, looking for clarity, looking for justification, a leg up. Someone is ready. Saggies, someone is getting ready to put in effort. I do feel one of you is very confused, 7 of Cups energy, looking for answers. Why? What's wrong? You know, some sort of conflict, fighting with people, trying to convince other people, trying to convince each other about this connection. I see there's someone in the picture who is so much into this connection that they just want to fight for it. I don't know whether it's you or the other person. This is so beautiful, my God. Treasure Island, because they know what they're fighting for. Clean it up. You need to clean the mess around you. I do feel there's a lot of mess, some sort of societal prejudices. It can be a different backgrounds. It can be some sort of societal pressure coming from relatives, law, order, government. I see society, norms of the society is stopping this connection to move forward. But trust me, once you clean it up, what's coming towards you is a treasure island. This is so beautiful, Saggies. I do feel this love is very deep and someone is about to fight for this connection. I don't know for how many this reading is going to resonate, but I'm picking up someone. I'm picking up someone's energy who is into this connection so deeply. If this reading resonates with you, your person is really in love with you. This is beautiful. So this was your reading, guys. I do feel some sort of conflict might come up this week, in the upcoming week of the month of August, and it can cause some sort of argument. I don't see a big fighting going on, but this can be some sort of communication lag for a while where the feminine energy wants some time off. But overall, this is going to be a beautiful union. 3 of Cups, 10 of Cups. And one of you is actually going to fight for this connection really hard. And they're going to save this connection. So this was so beautiful, guys. This was your reading. Thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe. Bye-bye. Take care.